In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add indexes to Metatrader. Whether you're looking for the US 30, NASDAQ, the DAX, or other popular equity indices, the process in Metatrader 5 is straightforward once you know where to look and what to expect from your broker. I'll walk you through each action, explain what it does, and share a few tips to keep you from getting stuck. First, make sure your broker actually offers index trading on your account. In Metatrader, indices are typically provided as CFDs, and not every broker or account type includes them. Some brokers group them under names like indices, cash indices, or spot indices, while others use symbols such as US 30, US 500, NS 100, Wildshard, UCAN, JAR 40, FRA 40, JPN 25, or HK50. You might also see suffixes like .cash or .dom that indicate a particular contract variation. If you've never seen indices in your platform before, double check your broker's instrument list on their website or in your client portal. If you still don't see them mentioned, you can assume they're not enabled on that account, or they may require a different account type. Now, head to your Metatrader 5 platform. You'll want to be logged into a trading account so the platform can request and display the available instruments from your broker's server. If you see a connection status indicator in green at the bottom right, you're good to go. When MT5 is open and connected, you're ready to reveal the panel where instruments are managed. Open the Market Watch panel using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M. Market Watch is the place where all tradable symbols are listed. If it's already visible, you'll recognize it by the scrolling list of symbols and prices usually on the left side of your screen. If it isn't visible, that shortcut will toggle it on. This panel is where you'll soon see your chosen indices appear once they're enabled. Inside the Market Watch panel, right-click anywhere in the list to open the context menu. This is the quickest way to access the tools you need to manage symbols in MT5. The menu provides several useful options, but for our purpose today, we'll focus on the one that lets you browse and control which symbols are displayed. Click on Symbols in that menu. This opens the Symbols window, which is essentially your full catalog of instruments. You'll see categories organized in folders, often grouped by asset types such as forex, metals, energies, futures, and indices. The exact names and structure come from your broker, so don't worry if your folders look a little different. The key is that this window lets you access everything your broker has made available to you. Within the Symbols window, choose the index you want or use the search bar to find it quickly. If you're browsing, look for a folder called Indices, Cash Indices, Spot Indices, or something similar. If you're searching, type the commonly used code like US 30 for the Dow, US 500 for the S&P 500, NAS 100 for the NASDAQ, GER 40 for the DAX, or UK 100 for the FTSE. When you highlight a symbol, you can usually open its specification to review details such as contract size, tick value, trading hours, and margin requirements. These specs matter. Cash indices generally track the underlying index price during core hours, while futures-based symbols may follow an exchange contract and can behave differently around roll dates or outside regular session times. Spreads and swaps vary by broker too, so it's worth a quick look before you proceed. Once you've chosen the index you want, it will be available in your Market Watch so you can reference it whenever you need. If you added more than one, you can keep your list tidy by organizing, showing, or hiding symbols from the same symbols window later on. The next time you open the platform, your selections will remain available in Market Watch. If you still don't see any indices, it usually means your broker hasn't enabled them for that account, or they're grouped under a different name than you expect. Check the broker's instrument list, confirm you're connected to the correct server, and make sure your account type supports indices. That's it. Simple, reliable, and repeatable. You've checked your broker's offering, opened Metatrader 5, revealed Market Watch with Ctrl+M, used the right-click menu to open symbols, and chosen the index you want using the list or search. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.